And then she said she was gonna kill us. Can you believe that?
I guess I can. But after all, you know what chess is really for, right?
To open paradise?
No, of course not. You guys are so stupid. Cheza is just a nuclear bomb due to explode anytime soon. Right now, she's just pepping up for her big day for Kaboom.
What the fuck?
Damn, freaking ew, it's disgusting. Well, time for the old west. What's up, people? Anybody got antibiotics? Oh wait, that's right. Nobody knows what I'm saying. Oh well.
What the? Hey, you know, you're pretty cute. Kabam! Why's everybody staring? It's just a dog. Jeez. Quint Yahiden, tell me, what the hell were you thinking shooting that poor animal? Listen, you PETA bastard. That wolf deserved it. Wolf? That wasn't a wolf, sir. That was a dog. What the hell are you talking about? Did you see the size of it? Can the dog really be that big? You don't understand! It's a wolf, I tell you, a man-eating wolf. They're gonna eat all of our spleens. It ain't my son. And those wolves. Huh? Okay, listen, sir. No, you listen.